Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, it's nearly Easter and I have a special guest with me today and here she is.
Hello! I have returned!
LAKSHMI!
Happy Easter!
Yeah, happy Easter! Great to have you back.
It's good to be back.
And you look nice in blue, matching me. And of course this is a LAKSHMI BEE creation.
Yes.
Done by both of us in collaboration.
LAKSHMIBee.com.
So I got a real treat for you today.
You do? What is it?
It's got something to do with these vegan chocolate bunnies.
Chocolate bunny.
Okay, we're going to make what I call boozy bunnies.
Boozy bunnies?
Because I pinched the whiskey that my son got for his birthday.
Naughty son.
Yeah, very naughty son. He's just turned 18. We're going to make boozy bunnies.
Boozy bunnies.
And that's basically an iced chocolate drink that
delicious.
we serve inside the bunny.
Oh, let's do it. I want to have a drink.
And actually, just a note that you don't have to put whiskey in this drink. If you want it to be child friendly or non-alcoholic, you can easily leave it out and it'll taste just as good. So we're going to start with some chocolate.
Okay.
It's just vegan dark chocolate. Make sure it's vegan. And 70% cocoa. So it'll be less sugary and more
Very nice.
cacao-y. So you just need to get a third of a cup of broken bits of chocolate. Yeah, it's about right. Next ingredient is coconut cream.
Okay.
I've just got some I had in the fridge.
Yes.
We just need a quarter cup of the coconut cream. So now we just have to mix this on a very low heat.
Okay.
Till it melts. So just basically leave it there until it melts.
All right.
Okay, you can see that chocolate and coconut has melted nicely. So now we can add the other ingredients. We need to add either almond milk or coconut milk or any plant-based milk.
Okay.
We need 3/4 of a cup, but add it gradually, just put a quarter cup at a time. It's better if it's at room temperature so that it will mix properly into the chocolate. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's good. All right, so to add more richness of chocolate flavour, we're going to add cacao powder. So 1/2 tablespoon makes it more chocolatey, and also cacao powder is very good for you. It's very high in antioxidants. Then we're going to put 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla as well. Good. Right. Okay. So we'll just turn off the heat now. Now the boozy part. Just make sure this is smooth first, if you can. Or before that, you can add some coconut syrup or maple syrup.
Cool.
Just to sweeten it a bit more. And this is kind of personal taste. I probably would only use like 1/2 teaspoon, but if you want it a bit sweeter, you can add more than that. You kind of make it to your own taste. And coconut syrup is very strong too. It's got a good flavour. Now the fun part. Boy, that's strong. Ugh.
So yeah, you can tell I don't drink.
Yeah, well, I don't really drink either, but it's kind of nice. Whiskey and chocolate goes together pretty well. So if you just want a little extra indulgence at Easter, you can add this. So we'll do 1/2 tablespoon You can put more if you want, but I think that's enough. Especially if you don't drink much.
This is for the viewers.
Maybe you need to taste it and see if it needs more whiskey or more syrup.
Maybe a tiny bit.
Yeah, we'll put a bit more coconut syrup.
Delicious.
Is that better? We need to chill this
Okay.
because it needs to be really cold before we put it into our bunnies.
Bunnies.
Okay, so now we're going to unwrap our bunnies.
All right.
These are vegan bunnies I happen to find. So if you can find vegan ones, then go for it. Otherwise you could just serve it in a glass. But this is more fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the little bunnies underneath.
Oh my goodness.
There they are. All right, we put our knife into some boiling water. Are you going to go first?
Perhaps. This is one.
That's cool. It's melting. Oh, that's the way to do it, eh? Ah, perfect.
Uh-oh.
Oh, almost perfect. He lost a bit of his head, but it's all right. Going to fill it and put some coconut cream and stick his ears back on. So if your bunny's got a few holes in it, you might want to just plug them up with some melted chocolate. So we'll just put them in the freezer for a couple of minutes. So as you can see, Lakshmi had a brilliant idea to put holes through the ears by heating a metal straw and just poking it through. Then it'll be easy to drink the iced chocolate. Okay, we think that our bunnies and our drink have chilled enough.
Bunnies.
So it's time to assemble. So, Lakshmi, do you want to pour some of the drink into each one? Okay, so Lakshmi's finishing off the last bit. I got some of my vegan vanilla ice cream. You can check out my recipe on YouTube. And we're going to add some ice cream next. We might need to cut it up a bit. So we can fill them with ice cream as well.
Yes.
Which will make a nice treat. Some whipped coconut cream inside. And then we can attach the ears. And we can make a little white tail as well. Yeah, that's cool. Cute. Yeah, that's better. And then you can just put his ears back on. Looks quite nice. Now we need the straws. We've already made the holes for the straws. So we can carefully put the straws in. Hopefully it works.
Done.
Okay, we have our Boozy Bunnies.
Boozy Bunnies.
Good job on that one.
Yeah.
Don't know if I could have done it without your help. So, there we go. They look good too. And there are matching blue plates. So here we have our Boozy Bunnies.
Boozy Bunny.
Time for a taste test.
Okay.
Well, actually,
Do
cheers.
it. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Easter.
Whoa, that's really good.
That is good.
This is like the best drink I've
Oh,
ever
wow. It is good, isn't it? I think we can chill and finish our drinks.
had. Happy Easter.
Cheers. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.